Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick way of fixing your edger if it's not starting up. And I use a really cheap little kit right over here. If you want to check this awesome gas line hose kit out, I'll leave the link down in the description below for it. But this is a Hyper Tough Walmart brand weed eater. My edger or weed whacker was not working when I'm pulling on it and priming it to try to start it up. And basically all you have to do is check your little priming button right here. If you don't see any fuel inside there, and also as you're priming it, then most likely you have a disconnection inside the tank there, which this piece right here fell off in the bottom of the tank. So all you have to do is just run some new lines. And sometimes you can actually fix it by using this little harness bracket to redo it. But I would just honestly just use brand new line because you're probably gonna run into the same issue again. So mine disconnected right over here. You see how deteriorated that is. It just slipped right off. So hope this video helps out. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching. Get it a pull.